This video will guide you through how to use OneNote Class Notebook to set work for students remotely and how to view their completed work. The first thing you need to do is visit OneNote.com, and when you load that page you should be greeted with a screen similar to this with all the notebooks that you're currently part of. If you click on Class Notebooks, you will have already been invited to a number of different notebooks for different year groups. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to use the Year 11 one. So I'm going to click on that. And I'll have this welcome screen appear here, and on the left hand side there is a long menu. Now the part we need to focus on to begin with is Content Library, as this is the section where we'll upload all work for students to for them to see. So if I click on that and then click on the sub menu that appears called Student Work, I'll then have a menu here for every subject in Year 11. I'm going to focus on Computer Science for now. Now I normally have Computer Science on a Wednesday morning, so what I've done is populated the Wednesday section of this notebook with all the work that students are required to do. Now I've included some web links to different videos, and I've also included an external file here that they'll need to open to view some additional questions. Now you can include PowerPoints, you can include Word documents, PDF documents. You just need to drag and drop them from your user area into the space here. And likewise, following that on Thursday for my next lesson, I've then got something similar there. And I'll be expected to do that for each lesson that they have over the coming weeks. In regards to viewing the completed work of students, you will need to find their username on the left-hand side. Now, to ascertain which student is which, just think about their first two letters of their forename and the first two letters of their surname, and it should help you understand which student is which. But I know that this person here is in my class, and if I click on their name and then class work, they also have their own personal section for every subject. And if I go to the computer science section for this student, you can see that on this Wednesday they completed all of this work quite in depth, and I'm now able to, if I wish, to provide feedback for that. So I'd already put a few comments here, so you can add text to this just like you would if you were doing it yourself. So change the text color to red perhaps to symbolize that it's teacher feedback, and you can begin to type whatever you want to offer that student some feedback. And likewise, you could browse to the work for other subjects and then obviously browse to other students' notebooks as well. Now, students can only see their work, they can't see each other's work, but as a teacher, you are able to see all students' work. Hopefully you found that helpful. If you're stuck with any of it, just drop me an email and I'll try my best to help out.